welcome back to my channel. Today I have an eye makeup tutorial for you guys on this eyeshadow look that I'm wearing. I used this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette called Not a Basic Peach. This is super affordable. I think I paid like $4 or $5 for mine. I think the look that I created today is perfect if you just want to go out and you want to look cute, sultry, sexy, and you want to do something super simple but you want to look like you tried. Also, it's so affordable because it's Wet n Wild, it's drugstore. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm going to be going in with this color right here, and I'm going to set my entire lid. I'm just using a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. Next I'm going to be taking this really nice burnt orange shade with a scone blending brush. I'm going to focus this color on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just going to do little circular motions and slowly bring it to the front as well. But not too much. Most of the color I want on the outer part. Then I'm going to be taking this really beautiful color right here. It's kind of hard for me to describe. It almost looks like it's rose gold and bronze at the same time. It's really, really pretty. And I'm just going to take it on this brush right here. This is a Lexi 213 eye shading brush. I'm going to pack that on my brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and wet it really quick. Oh, it's such a pretty color. I feel like on the lid it comes out more rose gold. And it's got, I don't know, it's such a pretty color, you guys. It's like an orange, pink, gold, just beautifulness. And I'm just applying this all over the lid. Nothing fancy to this. It is a super, super simple look. You can definitely cut the crease if you want to, but I wanted this to be softer. So I'm just dragging it all the way down here to the outer corner. I'm going to be deepening up the look in just a little bit. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this color, you guys. So I'm going to go back into this really nice burnt orange shade on that same scone blending brush. And I'm just going to add a little bit more and drag it in just a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to take my Lexi 231, and this is a small tapered blending brush. I'm going to go into this brown color and I'm going to start smoking out the outer part of my eye. I'm going to definitely just focus it on the outer V and blend away pretty much. This look is so simple. I just love looks like this. I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger. Bring it in just a little bit, whatever's left on the brush. I'm just going to go in with this brush, the one that I used to set my lid, and I'm going to blend a little bit, diffuse the colors just a little bit. Then I'm just going to go back into this dark brown with my small tapered blending brush. I'm going to start smoking out the lower lash line. And I'm going to go back in to that shade that I used all over the lid. I'm not going to wet my brush this time, and I'm going to bring it in as close to the lash line as I can. And then I'm going to blend it with that brown color. Try not to stab myself. Then I'm just going to take this flat brush that I have right here. It doesn't have a name on it or anything like that. It's no particular brand. And I'm just going to take this really pretty color right here. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner just a little bit. Bring it down and blend it on the lower lash line a little bit. bring it up a little, and add it to the brow bone. These shadows are so pigmented, like I do not need to dip my brush again. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild brush and just blend a little bit, diffuse it. I'm going to take my Scone brush one more time and go back into that burnt orange shade that is in the palette. And I'm just going to add it to the top of that chocolatey color, just so you can see it more and blend. I'm going to go ahead and add a brown eyeliner to my waterline and my tight line, and I'm just using this one from Maybelline today. For my lashes today, I'm wearing the Lily Lashes in Mink Doa. I'm going to go ahead and pop these on real quick. And while my lash glue is drying, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. This one's from Miniso, but you can go ahead and apply whichever mascara you want. Alright, so this is pretty much the completed eye look. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some gloss real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that completes this tutorial. I just threw on a bold lip. I was going to do a nude lip, but I decided, what the hell, let me just throw on a bold lip. If you guys are curious as to what's on my lips, I'm wearing this Lip Couture waterproof liquid lipstick from LA Splash. And then the ColourPop and Shayla collaboration lip gloss. So that's what's on my lips. And if you guys are curious as to everything else I have on my face, it's going to be listed down below if you guys want to check that out. This is basically the completed look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun creating it. It was so simple, so easy, super affordable. This is definitely an eye look that I would totally wear on a date night with my husband, or you could totally wear this out to lunch or something if you're going to go have lunch with your friends, go shopping, whatever, brunch, who cares, like a Tuesday. If you want to rock a sultry smoky eye, go ahead and do so. I'm really happy how the eye look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!